Good afternoon, dear students. Okay, from today I will start the online platform that was the excellent tutorial for the improvement spoken English and the English grammar. That's why I have bring for you new platform, online platform that one is a excellent tutor. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आज रामनवमी आपल्या हिंदू धर्माचा सर्वात पवित्र दिवस आज प्रभू श्री रामांचा जन्म याचे औचित्य साधून आज मी एक्सलंट ट्युटोरियल हा ऑनलाईन प्लॅटफॉर्म जो आपल्याला स्पोकन इंग्लिश आणि इंग्लिश ग्रामर इम्प्रूव्ह करण्यासाठी मदत करेल तर तो आज मी लॉन्च करत आहे. अपेक्षा आहे आपल्याला आपल्या शैक्षणिक इम्प्रूव्हमेंटसाठी तिथे माझा प्लॅटफॉर्म आणि माझे व्हिडिओज माझे प्रयत्न आपल्याला 100% 100% बेनिफिशियलच होतील अशी अपेक्षा करतो. आणि माझ्या चॅनलला ज्याचं नाव आहे एक्सलंट ट्युटोरियल याला तुम्ही लाईक करसाल, सबस्क्राईब करसाल आणि तुमच्या मित्रांसोबत शेअर करसाल जेणेकरून मी अपलोड केलेले नवीन नवीन व्हिडिओ हे आपल्याला बघायला मिळेल जेणेकरून आपल्याला त्या व्हिडिओचा थोडा फायदा होईल. तर ठीक आहे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आपण आज आपल्या टॉपिककडे वळू आणि आज आपला टॉपिक आहे पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. आता हे पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच आहे का आणि याचे किती पार्ट्स आहेत ते आपण बघू. फर्स्ट वन इज द नाउन, सेकंड वन इज द pronoun, third one is the adjective, fourth one is the verb, fifth one is the adverb, fifth one is the adverb. आता आपल्याकडे थोडासा जागेचा बोर्डच्या जागेचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे त्याच्यामुळे आपण आधी हे 5 पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच काय आणि त्याचे डेफिनेशन्स काय तर हे आपण थोडंसं डिस्कस करून घेऊ. तर नाउन, नाउन म्हणजे काय, व्हॉट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द नाउन आणि व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द नाउन. ओके, सो वी हॅव टू क्रिएट or we are creating the short definition of that particular parts of speech. Okay, what is the noun? That one is the definition of the noun is a naming words. Naming words or naming word. Okay, name of any person, place, things, animal and the material. It's called a noun. Then next one is a pronoun. Next one is a pronoun. So what is the use of the pronoun? What is the use of the pronoun? That one is the avoid the repetition of the noun. That one is the use of the pronoun. That one is the use of the pronoun. Avoid the repetition of the noun. Avoid the repetition of the noun. Then adjective. Then adjective. What is the definition of the adjective? What is the definition of the adjective? Giving more information about noun and pronoun. It's called the adjective. It's called the adjective. Another verb, that one is the action word. That one is the action word. So what is the definition of the adverb? Okay, giving more information about verb. Giving more information about the verb. It's called the adverb. It's called the adverb. Next one is the preposition, not a preposition. What is the pronunciation of this word? That one is the preposition. So what is the definition of the preposition? That one is a relating word. relating word. Which word is shown the relation between the two things or the two sentences or the two objects. Next one is the conjunction. What is the definition of the conjunction? That one is the joining word. Joining word. Which word is joining the two sentences or the two words? It's called the joining words. Okay. Then interjection. What is the use of the and the definition of the interjection? That one is the sudden feeling expressing word. Sudden feeling expressing word is called the interjection. It's called the interjection. Okay. Now we are going to discuss what is the parts of speech and what is the example of that particular object. Okay. That one is the first one we are going to discuss. That one is the noun. Noun is a naming word. Naming word. Name of any person, place, things, animal, water, and materials. Okay. I am writing here one example. We have to read Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. Now you have to identify or the recognize what is the noun. Which one is the noun in this sentence? So obviously that one is a Ram. That one is a Ram is the noun of this sentence. Okay. Another next one is the pronoun. Next one is the pronoun. What is the use of the pronoun? Avoid the repetition of the noun. Avoid the repetition of the noun. So for example, that one is he, she, it, they, and so on. That one is a pronoun. We are using the except now. That one is a pronoun. That one is a pronoun. And what is the use of that? That one is avoid the repetition of the noun. तर बघा मित्रांनो, जेव्हा जेव्हा मी डेफिनेशन रिपीट करेल किंवा मग सांगितलं तेव्हा तेव्हा तुम्हाला सुद्धा माझ्यासोबत म्हणायचं आहे, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला त्या गोष्टी लर्न व्हायला मदत होईल. चल, त्यानंतर ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. व्हॉट इज द ॲडजेक्टिव्ह? ॲडजेक्टिव्ह म्हणजे काय? व्हॉट इज द ब्रॉड डेफिनेशन ऑफ द ॲडजेक्टिव्ह? गिव्हिंग मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट नाउन अँड प्रोनाउन. Noun and pronoun. Okay. Which type of boy? That one is. I have written here one example. That one is the Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. So which type of boy? Which type of Ram? That one is a good. That one is a good. That one is a good. And what is the good? Good is the adjective. Good is the adjective in this sentence. So when we describe or the giving more information about the subject of the sentence or the noun of the sentence, at that time we are adding their adjective. We are adding their adjective. Okay. Then here I am writing here good, for example. Okay. Another verb. What is the verb? What is the short definition of the verb? That one is the action word. That one is the ॲक्शन वर्ड. आपण जी ॲक्शन करतो, काही ॲक्शन करतो, खाण्याची करतो, पिण्याची करतो, चालण्याची करतो, खेळण्याची करतो. ओके. ड्रिंकिंग, प्लेइंग and whatever, cycling, swimming. Okay. I am writing here some example of that. That one is a work, working. Another, that one is a play, playing. Okay. Then drink, drinking. Okay, that one is a verb. That one is a verb. Verb means action word. जो शब्द आपल्याला ॲक्शन सांगते, कोणती ॲक्शन सुरू आहे ती ॲक्शन सांगते, त्याला आपण ॲडवर्ब. व्हॉट इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द ॲडवर्ब? दॅट वन इज द राम रन फास्ट. राम रन फास्ट. ओके. व्हॉट इज द राम? दॅट वन इज द नाउन. What is the run? That one is a verb. That one is a verb. And what is the fast? What is the fast? That one is a adverb. That one is a adverb. Because we raise the question which type of run by the ram or the which type of run by the ram. Okay, obviously that one is a fast. Which type of run by the Ram? That one is a fast. Okay, and fast is the giving the more information about the verb. About the verb. And what is the verb in this sentence? That one is a run. That one is a run. Okay, again, next one is the preposition. Next one is a preposition. Okay, what is the short definition of the preposition? That one is the relating word. That one is the relating word. असा शब्द जो दोन ऑब्जेक्टशी आपल्याला संबंध सांगतो. रिलेट करणं म्हणजे काय? दोन ऑब्जेक्टला एकामेकाशी कसे रिलेट करतात तर तो शब्द आपल्याला जो सांगतो इट्स कॉल्ड अ प्रिपोजिशन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, बुक्स ऑन दी टेबल. बुक्स ऑन दी टेबल. ओके, हा जो ऑन आहे that one is a preposition. That one is a preposition because that on is showing the relation or the related, okay, two things or the two objects. First one is the books and second one is the table. Second one is the table. Okay, get it little bit? Okay. Another, conjunction. What is the short definition of the conjunction? Conjunction means joining word. That word will be joined two sentences or two words. It's called a conjunction. It's called a conjunction. For example, Ram and Sham. Ram and Sham. Okay. Which one is the conjunction in this sentence? Give answer in the comment box. Okay. Which conjunction in this sentence? That one is the and. That one is the and is a conjunction because and is a joining two words or two subjects or two noun from this sentence. Okay, it's called a conjunction. Last one is the interjection. What is the short definition of the interjection? Sudden feeling expressing word. Okay, sudden feeling expressing word म्हणजे काय तर जो शब्द which word is not planned of our speaking तो असा शब्द जो आपण प्लॅन करून बोलत नाही. ओके, सडनली we get the as per the situation that word and when we pronounce it's called the interjection. It's called the interjection. Okay, what is the definition, short definition of the interjection? Sudden feeling expressing word. Sudden feeling expressing word. तो शब्द जो आपण निश्चितपणे किंवा निश्चित असून बोलू शकत नाही किंवा आपल्या कंडिशन नुसार आपल्या सिच्युएशन नुसार तो शब्द आपल्याला आपल्या तोंडातून किंवा आपल्या मुखातून बाहेर पडतो. बरोबर आहे? जशी परिस्थिती असली तशी. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वाव. ओके, वाव आपण कशासाठी यूज करतो? तेव्हा एखादी गोष्ट आपल्याला एखादी सरप्राइजिंग थिंग्स किंवा एखादा सरप्राइजिंग एक्सपिरियन्स आपल्याला येते तेव्हा आपण वाव यूज करतो. किंवा मग आउच हा सुद्धा शब्द आपण यूज करतो जेव्हा आपण एखाद्या गोष्टीने हर्ट होतो. विल बी हर्ट बाय द अदर थिंग्स ॲट दॅट टाइम वी विल इन अ ट्रबल. ॲट दॅट टाइम वी प्रोनाउन्स ॲक्सिडेंटली or the suddenly. That word is called the interjection. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजचा हा पिरियड हा व्हिडिओ इथे थांबव. बराच वेळ झालेला आहे. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज मी इथे थांबतो आणि याच्यानंतर सुद्धा असेच व्हिडिओ आपल्यासाठी अपलोड करणार आहे. तर त्यासाठी माझं चॅनल एक्सलंट ट्युटोरियल्स हे लक्षात घ्यायचं आहे, लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे आणि त्या चॅनलला लाईक आणि सबस्क्राईब करायचं आहे जेणेकरून आपल्यापर्यंत नवीन व्हिडिओ येतील.